Here is the awesome hostess of Tablescape Tuesday. Be sure to go over and check out her channel and see what she has done. She puts beautiful displays together, lots of insight, and oh my gosh, everything is always so beautiful on her channel. And don't forget to check out the playlist. A lot of great creators joined in on this challenge, and they put a lot of time and effort into their videos. Try to watch from the beginning to the end. It really helps doing that. They put a lot of work in. Now let's go over and check out the co-hostess. Here is an awesome creator. She's the co-hostess for Tablescape Tuesday. It's every week. You can put any tablescape up you want. And she is an awesome creator, as you can tell by these thumbnails. Look at all the beautiful displays she puts together. Make sure you go over and check out her channel and her videos. They're all beautiful. Well, let's go see what Grandma did. Happy Tablescape Tuesday. I have a yellow tablecloth I put on here, and I had another little tablecloth that's smaller, folded it in half, and I'm doing yellow, tan, and black and gray. And of course, you know how much Grandma loves yellow, so you're going to see a lot of yellow besides the tablecloth. Well, let's get busy and get this put together. Bought this beautiful tray, and I thought I would share it with you. You know, we're trying to cut down on expenses, and we need to repurpose and reuse as much as possible. The tray is new, and let's see what else is new for this tablescape. But keep in mind, the tablecloth I had, the gray and white check I already had, all the flowers I already had. So I'm trying really hard to keep it down to not be too expensive, but still look fabulous. Now these plates are new. This is the first time I've used them on a display. The gray placemats I've had since last year. And we're going to have half this post is going to be free, and half I'm going to have to spend money on. But keep in mind, once I put it up on a post, from then on it's free. So this one will cost me quite a little bit, but keep in mind, pretty soon it'll be free. And I bought the matching bowls also for these plates. I really love them, and they are beautiful, and I'm loving the Asian look. Let me know what you thought. I thought they looked pretty good. And we're getting pretty close to being done. So far we have 2 plates, 2 bowls, and 1 tray that I had to spend money on. Everything else Grandma already had. I used one of my white saucers or salad plates underneath the bowl to elevate it a little bit more. To give it a little more elevation. What do you think? Or do you think it would look better if I had left it alone? I'm going to show you what it'll look without the salad plate. But the thing that would be great, you would have your soup in this bowl or noodles. Then you would have your salad in this salad plate. And then when you're done doing that, you can place your dinner in the dinner plate. And the dinner plate is so beautiful, is it not? Now I know the stickers are not off my plate and off my bowl because they're brand new, and Grandma wanted to hurry and get this video up because it's Tuesday and Tablescape Tuesday, and it's a lot of work for Grandma to do in a short amount of time. So Grandma's got to get in here and work like a little worker bee. And I'm older, and I partied all weekend. Yes, Grandma partied all weekend with her family. So now Grandma's tired. So just keep in mind, Grandma's tired, so she didn't get those stickers off. But the next time you see it, the stickers will be off. Because I'm going to use this in another display probably in a couple of more weeks. I haven't decided how I'm going to display it. I may have to buy a few more pieces to go with it. Something that will be elaborate and beautiful and elegant, and maybe an Asian theme. Maybe get some Asian food. You never know what Grandma might do on her channel. So let me know what you thought. Did you think it looked better with Though, oh, I didn't show you how it looked with just the bowl. I'm sorry, let me go back. And this is what it would look without the salad plate there. And you could still put the salad plate up there and have it still on the table. But the trouble is, it can get a little crowded, and Grandma really doesn't like crowded tablescapes, as everyone knows. I like to keep it simple, basic, and pretty. At least I think it's pretty. Okay, I'm going to put it back where I like it, and you let me know in the comment section where you like it. I still have to go get some glasses to drink out of. Well, I'm done. What do you think? Do you think I nailed it or I didn't? I'm still going to buy a few more pieces to go with these Asian dishes that I bought. I'm going to get an Asian teapot, hopefully that will go with it, and hopefully something that could even go with my blue and white, for I don't have to have but just one set, but if I can't, I'll have to buy two. So you let me know what you thought. I thought it looked pretty nice. I got the new cups. They were a new expense. The glasses I already had for the last 20 years. And my silverware I've had for a long time. My napkins, my table runners, everything. So we're doing pretty good. The only thing that's new on this was the dinner plate, this bowl, and the cups. And of course we don't count food because we're going to eat it. The napkins, the placemats we already had, and the flowers I already had, and so we really didn't have too much, but next time I put this up we are going to have some new items again, because I want to get a tea set purchased, and I want to get some cups that go with it. So we'll see what I can find in the next couple of weeks, because I'm probably going to put this up again in August. And maybe basically how it is right now, with a few changes and a few tweaks. Because you know how Grandma is. We have to be on a budget, and we can't be constantly spending money, and I'm not going to constantly be dragging things out all the time. Once I get it all pulled out, I like to at least do 3 or 4 posts with these items. So I've got these placemats pulled out, napkins, the plates. So be ready for another post coming up your way. I will probably use a different flower arrangement. I already know which one I'm going to use. I already have it, and it's paid for, and it's not going to be a cost. It will be free. And you know, I love the little cozy area out in my garden, underneath the tree with a chandelier hanging and my butterflies up. Oh, do I love it. Let me know what you thought. Do you love the cozy area in the garden? I need to find a name for this. If you have any ideas, because I really, in my kitchen, I call it the cozy corner. What should I call this area? Leave me a comment in the garden. Leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me what I should be calling this part of the garden. Please. It needs a name, for I can constantly use it on the title. I want something that's going to be different and unique. So think about it, guys. Think about it. Well, this is it for Tablescape Tuesday. What did you think?